Hey guys, what's up? It's Cece. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you'll stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today I'm going to be doing the very first fall glam look of the 2018 year. I am obsessed. Y'all just don't understand how much I live for like a dark lip. A dark lip and like sultry makeup, it just always looks so good and just so grown and so sexy. You can wear this throughout the day. You can wear this for date night. However you decide to rock it. If you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in it. I will leave my Instagram over here. Make sure you guys are following me. And I also recently just started back using my Twitter, so I will put that information down here so that way you guys can make sure you follow me there as well. No need for the long intro. You guys see the look. I hope you guys love the look. Like I said, if you're new, I hope that you will subscribe, stay. Don't forget to thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and let's keep it moving.
Are gonna come. So I'm building with the bad day. That's how life goes. That's how it goes. So you live and you learn to let go. Go. That's how.
This that wavy vibe, banging up out that trunk, rolling up skunk, my niggas is drunk, bumping that east side boy, that crunk, As I fade away, another little homie got killed today, from that airplay or that he say or that she say. This every day, how we portray y'all wordplay. As I told this bong from them roaches in this ashtray, I might drift away. These jewels I drop are giveaways, but this wisdom I cop with straight cash, no layaway. Maybe that's cliche, or just another gem like a throwaway. Young nigga said for real Boosie's home today. For real Boosie's home today. Cause that shit pay my debt from them loans today. Just said they kept to free my mind one day. In due time I pray, I guess I gotta find my way. Shit lost in the sauce. No, I created the sauce. In my mind I'm a king, and in my heart I'm a boss. I finesse with the best, by the way that I talk. Ain't no stress for the blessed, when you envision it, dog.
Bad turns are gonna come. Life's a twisting roller coaster all around. I get no warning when the bad turns are gonna come. Life's a twisting roller coaster all around.
They told me, Hubs, you gotta let it go. Just like you told them on that better souls. Some things are better left unknown. No, they etched in the stones. Protect your steps, protect your home. The less regrets, the better zone. I left the quest, now I'm headed home. Blessed, no question home. No sweat, no stress to the dome. Left it alone. See me in the Lex, but I'm regular though. I told y'all in 2011 where I go from the past to the future, but the present is close. We just living in a moment. Take a couple minutes to appreciate the shit that we accomplished. We calm it down. See me in the city on a whim. Dominican rum with my Dominican friend. Might fall back out Philly again. Peace to Castro, Vinny and them. Wait by in the mirror, wipe the chair. Mind clear, it's my time of year. I'm in the same hood with my old crib. I might drive through, but won't find me there. HU, bitch, I'm on my new shit. Don't ask me about no new chicks, cause my old chicks is more exclusive than the newest chick that you fooling with. But they old news, this the newest print. The title reads, I am he. X and O say bye to me. Gotta let it go, I'm too high to reach. Sheesh.
That's how we go. So you live and you learn to let go. That's how life goes. That's how we go. So you live and you learn to let go. That's how.
Live, let it go. Shitstorms getting handled professional. Each verse is like a confessional. Got a love for this world, no, I lack control. Enjoying all the sights on this roller coaster. In the middle, so the music composer. I've been hustling real hard with the rhymes to the point where I'm losing all touch with my life and the people I love. Now I'm stuck in this tuggle of war, what I've done. My burden I shouldered, I work for this run. I sacrifice time and I pass on the fun. I see it progress. Yes, I've altered the negatives on the stress. Roll with the punches, believe that I'm blessed. Roaming for peace, face the east when I rest. I get respect when I'm talking. Misfortune with me, that's knocking. It's at every door, that's an option. No, I tip my brim to acknowledge. The dead and gone, the souls falling in from winter background to autumn. On this continue rise from the bottom. Rhyme is focal, approach is coastal from wake out. Me, drifting and breezing, steadily squeezing life for the payout. No easy way out of this world, no telling how things will play out. I've learned to accept it all, the circumstances and layout. That's how it goes.
That's how it goes.